Okay, here is information on apartment load calculations for a 60s vintage 30-unit building with an 800 amp, single-phase, 120/240 volt service. We'll address the potential addition of dishwashers and the concerns about overloading the existing electrical system, keeping in mind considerations relevant to locations such as Minnesota where there may be central hot water boilers. Let's start with dishwashers. Consider dishwashers designed without electric heating elements, particularly those using condenser drying systems. These reduce power consumption considerably compared to traditional dishwashers with heating elements. Now let's look at the electrical load calculations themselves. First, the house load, which includes common area lighting, laundry equipment, and the circulation pump for the central hot water boiler. Increase the allowance for lighting in the house load calculation to 100 amps to account for potential variations and future upgrades. Next, focus on the laundry room. Calculate the load for the washers and gas dryers more accurately. While gas dryers have minimal electrical load, each washer should be calculated at approximately 15 amps. And while gas dryers have a low electrical load due to only powering the motor, consider 30 amps for each dryer for the electrical component of the gas dryer. Review other appliances too. Double-check the load calculation for any other appliances not initially included. For instance, refrigerators in common areas, microwaves, or toasters, any items that contribute to the overall demand. Now, concerning demand factor calculations, explore using demand factors for the dishwasher load. These factors recognize that all appliances don't operate at their maximum power simultaneously. For dishwashers, a demand factor of 75 can be used, reducing the calculated load by 25%. You'll have to check with the local inspector about demand factors for dishwashers. Now, with the overall system nearing capacity, evaluate a service upgrade. Discuss upgrading the electrical service to higher ampacity with the utility company. If upgrading the service, explore using a transformer with a higher secondary voltage, like 208/120 volts, to reduce current flow and potential overloads on the unit feeders. Now consider the unit feeders. Investigate upgrading the existing 60 amp unit feeders to a larger capacity like 70 or 80 amps to accommodate the increased load from the new dishwashers. Verify that these feeders are correctly sized and protected as per the National Electrical Code requirements. Here are some safety precautions. Install ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs in all bathroom and kitchen outlets for safety. Regularly inspect the electrical system, including the main service, unit feeders, and appliances to maintain safe operation. Consider informing tenants about responsible electrical usage to prevent overloads. Some additional suggestions: consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer for expert analysis and recommendations. Obtain load monitoring data to precisely assess the actual electrical consumption of the building. Explore energy efficiency measures like LED lighting and Energy Star appliances to potentially reduce overall electrical demand.